Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have a new box to my channel, y'all. This is Destination Delivered. This is a monthly box that takes us traveling. So Nicki is the curator of this box, and she says, I created Destination Delivered for women who love to travel but don't get to as often as they'd like. Each month I thoughtfully select pieces inspired by a specific destination. Items chosen not just for how they look, but for how they feel. Every box is packed with care, curated in small batches, and personalized to make the experience feel truly yours. Destination Delivered isn't about going everywhere. It's about feeling something wherever you are. And this box is really phenomenal. I've seen it on Instagram. I've seen it a few places, and it's just beautiful. It is a boutique subscription box that brings the beauty, culture, and charm of iconic destinations straight to your door, no packing required. And Nicki, you'll find her on Instagram, and she's very personable. So this is the box. It came today, and I did cut it open, and it says fragile on it right here. So let's see what's in here, y'all. It is really beautiful, very well done, very beautifully done. Look at how pretty this is. It says every box and story from somewhere extraordinary. And there is a card that will tell us about what's in the box. And look at how beautiful this is wrapped, y'all. And there is her emblem and a beautiful ribbon and tissue. And we'll open it up. And then this is what it looks like. Everything is wrapped in there. How beautiful. How beautiful is that, y'all? And the card says, Aloha, welcome to Hawaii. Now, y'all, this box is a surprise to you. So you can go on Instagram and see what it's about once people get their boxes delivered. Like, I think it started showing yesterday or maybe today, the spoilers. But you don't have to. If you don't want to look, you don't have to. And you can be surprised, which I think is really fun. So it says, welcome to Hawaii. While each Hawaiian island has its own unique beauty, the Big Island holds a special place in my heart. From black lava coastlines and sunbathing sea turtles to lush rainforests, waterfalls, and volcanic landscapes, it is a place of incredible contrast and endless discovery. No matter how many times we visit, we always find something new to explore. This month's collection was inspired by some of my favorite moments on the islands, gathering around the table with family and friends, sharing a delicious meal, and embracing the slower pace of island life. Inside, you'll find thoughtfully curated items inspired by Hawaiian flavors and traditions, along with a few special touches that invite you to savor a little island-inspired self-care. I hope this box brings a bit of the Big Island warmth, beauty, and aloha spirit into your home. Mahalo for joining me on this journey, Nicki. So and then that's on one side of the card. The other side lists what's in the box. So let's see what it's all about. You will see all the care that's put into each box. Look, this is all hand done by Nicki. It's just her. How beautiful is that? So let's see what we've got. Take this off and unwrap everything. I'll unwrap each thing as we go. This is all things that mean a lot to Nicki, and she wants to share with us. This is beautiful. It's wrapped very nicely. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that wood. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. This is the acacia wood platter. I might be saying the name of that wood wrong, y'all. But this is a beautiful handcrafted 10x5 platter carved from solid acacia wood. Prized for its beauty, durability, and sustainability. Naturally resinous, acacia resists stains, liquids, and odors, making it perfect for everyday entertaining. It's absolutely beautiful. I love wood, you know, because it has of course, they're all going to look different because it's real wood. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. And next we have a fabric item. This is a linen table runner with Hanu design. Elevate your table with a classic linen textured table runner. It's 13 inches by 70 inches with a custom destination delivered hanu, which is sea turtle design, inspired by the tranquil beauty of the Hawaiian coast. I love to watch the videos of the ocean with the turtles and all. And y'all, I would love to travel, but I never get a chance to. So this is beautiful. The fabric is beautiful, and it's very well stitched on the edging. So it's long, you know, because it's gonna go across your whole dining table. And then here are the turtle design. How beautiful is that? And it's on both ends of the table runner. Beautiful. And that is designed by Nicki. That was designed by Nicki. Very, very beautiful. Oh my goodness, everything in here is gorgeous, y'all. There are some recipes. Let's see what we got. There's a couple of recipe cards in here. There is slow cooker Kahlua pork and Hawaiian slaw. And Nicki told me that she put both of these in here because these are some of her favorite recipes when she's with family in Hawaii. Let's see what it says about the, all right. Kahlua pig is traditionally prepared by slow roasting a whole pig in an underground oven called an imu. But here on the mainland, we can still enjoy the Hawaiian favorite right from the crock pot. Pair it with the incredibly delicious Hawaiian slaw. Trust me, the unexpected ingredients come together beautifully. So it tells you what you need, tells you the directions of how to cook it. The slow cooker pork is super easy. And then the Hawaiian slaw has some really lovely ingredients in it. There's some lime and some honey, soy sauce, red cabbage, green cabbage, and combine it all and refrigerate it. That does sound like that would go excellent together. Excellent. That is, and then you can put your table runner down and have a nice meal. How beautiful is that? We have this SNS dips. Let me show it to you, and then I'll find it on the card and read about it. This is a pineapple dip mix, a light and refreshing blend with a delicate flavor. Enjoy it as a fruit dip, bagel topping, fruit pizza spread, or my favorite way, in a delicious fruit salad that pairs perfectly with the Kahlua pork and Hawaiian slow recipes in this month's box. So it says instructions: add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of whipped topping in a bowl and blend together with a mixer, and they add the bag contents and blend well and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. That sounds delicious. Enjoy with graham crackers or animal crackers. Add fresh fruit and mini marshmallows to create a delicious fruit fluff. That would be delicious. There's something I make that's similar to that at Christmas time. And this would be great. I think I'm going to try. I'm definitely going to try that for sure. There is a beautiful package here. How pretty this is wrapped. And everything is well wrapped, y'all, because, you know, it did say fragile, but everything is wrapped so beautifully to keep it safe. See how that is? Wrapped with the bubble wrap around it. I can get it out of there. It's wrapped so well. This is beautiful. Look at how pretty that bottle is. This is pure, I'm not gonna be able to say these words right, I apologize. Kukui oil? That's my best guess. Kukui oil. Extracted from the nuts of the Hawaiian candle nut tree. Kukui oil is a lightweight, fast-absorbing oil known for its deep hydration and non-greasy feel. Traditionally used in Hawaii to soothe dry or irritated skin, it can also help tame frizz, nourish dry scalp, and moisturize hair without weighing it down. Versatile and gentle, it can be used as a daily body moisturizer, makeup remover, or carrier oil for aromatherapy. This is so beautifully packaged. This is a glass bottle, white glass. And then look at that gorgeous label, y'all. And it's a dropper. Let's see what it looks like. You know, we love skincare. Oh, how beautiful is that? I'll put a little bit on. There it is. Rub it in. Oh, it feels really good. It doesn't have a scent, which is what it says. It went right into my skin. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful oil. I don't know that I've ever heard of that oil before. It's not sticky. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. Feels great. Feels great on my hand. Lovely, lovely. And then we have this beautiful package. Everything in here is so pretty. I have to unwrap it and come back. See how, yeah, let me do that. This is, look at how pretty this bottle is with the wood top. Hawaiian style red Alea sea salt. I know in Hawaii they pronounce things so beautifully, but I'm not doing it justice. But this has a shaker top on it. Let's put a little, I'll put a little in here and we'll taste it real quick. It's beautiful, beautiful salt. Let's see. It's really good, really tasty. And what it says about this, as unrefined Pacific sea salt blended with, and unrefined Pacific sea salt blended with LAE, an iron-rich volcanic clay native to Hawaii. How cool is that? Known for its signature brick red color and mild earthly flavor, it's delicious. It is traditionally used in Hawaiian dishes like the kalua pig. So you could use this in your cooking using those wonderful recipes. And y'all, there also is a postcard in here. Look at how lovely it's wrapped. If you sign up for this box, you will get a special monogram pouch with your first order, as well as an album for custom postcards. Nicki designs all of the postcards herself. Let's take it out here and see it. And then she sends an album where you can put these postcards in. And when you order, if you let them know that I sent you, in the contact page, you'll put in MCLC, which is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, DD, which is her company, destination delivered, and then she'll know to send you the album for the postcards. Hawaii, the Big Island, that's beautiful. I love all the colors on that. And on the back it says Nicki's Big Island Favorites. With every trip is a little different. While every trip is a little different, there are a few things we never miss on the Big Island. Watching the sunset over the ocean. Oh my goodness. I just dream about that. Spotting hanu, which are the sea turtles sunbathing on the lava rocks, and spending time snorkeling in a crystal clear waters always tops the list. We make a point to visit the Waimea Farmers Market for crepes from the beloved crepe lady. Stop at Mana's Aloha Farm for fresh coconut and sugar cane on the way to Akaka Falls, and browse the Kona Farmers Market for local treasures. Other favorites include the Hawaii Tropical Bioserve and Garden, dinner at Merriman's in Waimea, Melisadas from Tex Drive in Hanakai, and shaved ice from Alulani's in Kona. No matter how many times we visit, the Big Island always gives us something new to discover. See more recommendations and continue the journey here. And there is a code there that you can scan with your phone and get more information. So Nicki has been obviously many times to Hawaii and knows all about it. And she's sharing that with us. I love that's beautiful. So if you tell her, like I said, let her know that I sent you with MCLCDD, you will get the album for your postcards to go forward, and then save this. You'll have a little destination album. How much fun is that? That's a special gift that she gives you. She also has on her website some one-time boxes. There's an Ireland box, y'all. Looks fantastic. And there also is Savannah, Georgia is a recent box. And she'll sell those separately, or you can subscribe. And how it works is if you buy your subscription by $11.59 on the first of the month. So July 1st is coming up. So if you buy your subscription by July 1st, 11:59 p.m., you will get July's box. But if you sign up on July 2nd, then you will get August's box. Because how it works is you sign up, and then the boxes get shipped on the 15th to the 20th of the month. So this is the June box. So it got shipped. What is today? Today is it's toward the end of the month. Mine did get delayed a little bit because, you know, that's not their fault, not Destination Delivered's fault. It's my post office. It's just the way it always is. You all know that around here. You'll get this shipped out to you, and it will be, this is the June box. So if you sign up now, you would get the July box, and you'll get that in July, toward the end of July. Am I saying that right? I believe so. Or maybe you'll get that in August. Anyway, it's $67 a box, and it's $9.95 shipping. So again, we got this fabulous salt. This was delicious. It's tastes like salt, but it tastes different. It's very, very good. I'm looking forward to cooking with it. We got the pineapple mix to make the lovely fluff. The gorgeous postcard. All these cute little bags that everything came in. I love this tray. The acacia wood, I'm not sure how to say it, but this is gorgeous, beautiful wood. You know, this will last forever. And this gorgeous table runner that was designed by Nicki herself, with the I forgot the name of the turtles already, y'all. Super excited. Hanu. I should know that. Hanu. That's beautiful. I love the color and everything. I love the fabric is beautiful. It's a woven fabric, very, very pretty. This is a beautiful, beautiful box. I do want to tell you some things that Nicki says about the box. She tells us that, you know, it's a fairly new box, and it is, she's trying to build her business. Here comes Smudge. Oh my, the trouble is starting. I didn't want to have any of them up here. Her goal is to introduce Destination Delivered to more travelers this year. So let's help her out with that, y'all. If you're interested in this, just, you know, say so down below and send her a message. I'll have her contact information below. And y'all, this is so beautiful and so much fun. I'm not probably ever going to be able to travel. I just have too much going on, too busy, work all the time, and I've got my pets and all. So this is fun to travel with Nicki. So thank you so much, Nicki, for sending this gorgeous box, Destination Delivered, y'all. And I hope that you will check it out. And like I said, I'll have the information below for you to do so. And of course, Smudge has taken over the box. You all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. Thank you so much again to Nicki for sending this gorgeous box to me.